are 15 cool gadgets that will blow your mind. You can find all the Amazon links in the description below. This paper plane is like nothing you've ever seen. With this powerful kit, you can transform your regular paper plane into a motorized one. Fold a sheet of paper, add the motor and batteries, and prepare for hours of fun. Witness unbelievable stability as you loop, barrel roll, and perform heart-pounding hammerheads with the acro mode. Controlled by your smartphone via Bluetooth, this incredible gadget unleashes a world of aviation wonders. Here's how you can get Apple CarPlay on any car. This affordable dashcam lets you access your iPhone apps by connecting your phone through Bluetooth, so you can listen to your favorite music, accept calls, get driving instructions, and enjoy all the other apps that support Apple CarPlay. On top of this, it also provides you with a dash and rear cam. This gives you clear sight when reversing, and lets you record your journeys in case of an accident. You can also split the screen so you can use CarPlay and view the camera at the same time. This powerful device connects to your car's stereo over Bluetooth, aux, or even FM if you drive an ancient car. It powers through the 12-volt outlet, and considering everything this dashcam offers, it's really a steal that it sells for only $100. Did you know that there's a printer that doesn't need ink to print? This printer can print whatever you wish through an app on your phone. It uses no ink and connects through Bluetooth. Its rechargeable battery makes it easy to print on the go. Whether it's for work or recreational activities, this mini printer can always come in handy. This mini board will turn your phone into a laptop. It's a fully functional keyboard that connects to your phone through Bluetooth. It also works as a stand for your phone, so you get that perfect viewing angle when writing. If you often travel or are a digital nomad, this little gadget will definitely speed up your workflow when you're on the go. The magnetic foldable design makes it easy to carry around. It even fits in your pocket. And the best part, one single charge provides up to 45 hours of continuous typing, or 90 days on standby, which is more than enough juice for any vacation or business trip. This electrical water gun will take your water battles to the next level, and a range of 28 to 32 feet ensures you can hit your target with precision. On a single charge, you'll be ready for an epic showdown with 6,000 water bullets at your disposal. Rain or shine, this water gun's high quality and waterproof design guarantees endless fun and durability. Get ready for an action-packed summer filled with pool parties, beach adventures, and outdoor excitement. This magic notebook turns your handwriting into digital text. Meet the Rocketbook Core, a game changer for pen and paper enthusiasts. But wait, it's not just another notebook. Say goodbye to endless retyping and disorganized notes. With its cutting-edge technology, Rocketbook Core digitizes your scribbles in a snap. Scribble away with the included pen, and when your masterpiece is complete, use the Rocketbook app to save, search, and organize it effortlessly in the cloud. It feels like magic. This compact and user-friendly smart projector will turn anywhere into a movie theater. The Freestyle portable projector from Samsung can project a screen up to 100 inches. And the best part is, you don't need any cables to project your favorite movies except for the USB cable that powers the projector. Thanks to its integrated Chromecast, you can wirelessly cast any content from your phone to the screen in seconds. If it feels like your laptop is about to catch fire, it's probably time you get a cooling pad. But hold on, this isn't your average cooling pad. This one has immersive colorful lights, a dust filter that fends off pesky particles, and a flexible rubber ring that hugs your laptop snugly. Oh, and did we mention the adjustable mount stand? Whether you're a gaming beast or an office guru, this cooling pad has got your back. Have you ever heard of a speaker defying gravity, dancing in mid-air, and producing mind-blowing sounds? Meet the ArcStar. This is more than just a gadget, it's a spectacle. Say goodbye to tangled wires and boring speakers. Want a portable party? Simply detach the orb and let the music follow you. Running out of juice? Not with the ArcStar. It's not only a speaker, but also your smartphone's savior due to its integrated wireless charger. And let's remember the mesmerizing green light that adds a visual symphony to your audio experience. This is the perfect lifesaver, an FM transmitter. If you own an old car that doesn't let you play music over Bluetooth or even aux, you simply put it in your 12-volt power outlet, then you can enjoy your favorite music in your car over radio signals. Whoa, this will definitely take your road trips to the next level. This portable chair has gone viral on TikTok, for good reasons. It's a game changer you never knew you needed. But hey, let's get real, who enjoys lugging around cumbersome chairs to every outdoor event? With this nifty gadget, you can bid farewell to uncomfortable seating options and embrace the convenience of a collapsible steel frame that unfolds like magic. Are you tired of road rage? Need a way to express yourself without causing chaos? Look no further than the LED car sign. This attention-grabbing gadget is here to revolutionize your driving experience. With a touch of humor and a sprinkle of fun, you can now communicate with fellow drivers in a safe and entertaining way. Thank the cautious ones, share your affection, or give a playful salute to those causing mayhem. The 175 bright LED light beads ensure your messages shine through both day and night, making your intentions crystal clear. Install this cool car gadget and let the car do the talking while you enjoy the ride. Equipped with digital infrared goggles, these binoculars unveil the mysteries of the night, revealing a hidden world where creatures roam unseen, whether it's for hunting, camping, or just to satisfy your curiosity. But that's not all. It can even capture your unforgettable moments with day-night IR photos and videos on the included 32GB memory card. Have you ever wished you could peek under the hood of your car and decode its secrets like a pro? Meet Blue Driver, your car's new best friend and the ultimate diagnostic tool. No more puzzling over cryptic check engine lights. With Blue Driver's wizardry, you gain access to the treasure trove of data that mechanics usually guard. Clear ABS, airbag, SRS, TPMS codes, and more with ease. But that's not all. It's not just another code reader, it's your automotive whisperer, guiding you towards the right fixes. Say goodbye to the hassles of traditional measuring methods. Just clamp it to your saw fence, set the blade thickness, and voila! The M1 eliminates the need for manual measurements, slashes cut time, and boosts safety like never before. Whether you're a pro, contractor, or woodworker, the M1 will be your trusty companion, providing unmatched accuracy and turn cutting wood into a joyful experience. That's a wrap. We hope you found the perfect gadget that fits your needs. Comment below what type of gadget we should cover next, and as I mentioned in the beginning, you can find the Amazon links to all the gadgets in the description. Here are some other gadget videos you should watch if you haven't already.